This is my morning each and every day.
Like the person you want to become. That's not fake it till you make it, by the way. This is intentional. Intentionally act like the person you want to become. Because when you intentionally act like the person you want to become, your brain sees you.
One thing about me, I'm gonna wear what I feel like wearing in my house. This is my house. I'm gonna wear what I feel like wearing. I know you guys are gonna judge me, man. I saw your comments complaining about the fridge next to the stove, so let me move it. Oh my god. That should do it. I think this space is good, right? Because y'all were complaining, so I think this space is good. But you guys helped me a lot, hey? So I showed you unboxing the fridge, but I didn't show you buying the groceries. So let me show you what I got. Hey, this is everything that I bought, but I think I went too far.